Yeah, hello everyone. I've just got to do a quick video of getting this thing out of the box. I know what's in it, but I don't know what it's going to be like. It's still sealed up, and it's, to be honest with you, it's been in my loft for probably upwards 20-25 years. I actually got a couple of boxes down about a month ago, and then one of them was a Tamiya. Oh god, what was it now? Nissan King Cab. So yeah, quite a rare beastie. And I know, but this one was really expensive when we got it. It's actually a Christmas present, and I'm talking it's got to be at least 35 to 40 years ago. Couldn't really afford to run it because my old fella used to buy me the fuel put in it, but he got a bit fed up with it and it became quite expensive because I was going through glow plugs and fuel at alarming rate. But there we go, you were seeing it for the first time, as I am. Not safe doing much. Done it outside because it's covered in bloody dust. See, right, just get the dust off it. And then here. Oh well, it's survived. I'll give it a right good clean before I put it in. It's a Kyosho USA one. This is the original one from, oh god, from the early 90's. That was in the box. There's instructions and what have you in there, and bits for the engine as well. Well, that's secure. Better not lift it up with the body. Oh, wow, that's heavy. I'll just put this up. Also drop the phone. Yeah, there it is. Okay, Kyosho USA one. Right, when we got this, it was the biggest thing you could buy. I mean, it's seen a little bit of action, but as far as I'm aware, underneath, it all is in really good condition. It works. It worked. God knows what it's like now, 30 years later, but yeah, it was in pretty good condition under here, and I'll also guarantee it's all complete because I always used to make sure all my RC stuff were pretty good. So, I mean, I don't want the damn thing now, but I say what, if somebody's after one of these, an original one, this will be a cracking truck for somebody. Maybe even if you don't want to get it running, but if you just need parts, I'll guarantee you this is all in really good condition. That was the box, and actually what's in here. Just get it open. There's a few spare bits in there. Instructions and bits and pieces for engine and truck and whatever in there. It's all there. Yeah, you've seen it for the first time. I've seen it. Apologies for my terrible weedy backyard. This is one of the last jobs on my mind at the moment. So yeah, there you go. First seat light today. Kyosho, an original USA one.